Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the file ready. Open the image and immediately duplicate the background layer so you preserve the original. Once done, confirm resolution and color profile to avoid later artifacts. Make sure transparency is enabled and the base layer is unlocked for quick restores. Now select the duplicate layer and zoom into edges. This prevents accidental edits. Finally, set your workspace to Essentials or Photography so the layers, properties, and tools are visible before moving to Selection. You'll focus on isolating foreground using Select Subject as a starting point. It's fast and accurate for clear objects. Then enter Select and Mask to refine edges. Adjust Smooth, Feather, and Shift Edge by small pixels to avoid halos. Once satisfied, output to a layer mask so the selection is non-destructive. Make sure to paint the mask with a soft brush at 100% opacity for hard edges or lower opacity for gradual blends. This creates a clean separation between subject and background. You'll place the new background beneath the mask subject and transform it to match scale and perspective. Use Free Transform, Ctrl/CMD+T, and skew if needed. Once positioned, add adjustment layers, levels or curves, and clip them to the subject or background to match brightness and color temperature. Make sure to fine-tune mask edges with the Refine Edge brush and add subtle shadow via a soft, low-opacity brush on a new layer. If things go wrong, check mask edges, toggle it on /off, and step back in history to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.